Pre-approved means that you are pre-approved not just to buy a house, but to close on a house. There are a couple of different terms that are getting thrown out there, but in reality, they're completely different things. Pre-qualified means you're kind of approved to buy a house, but not all the way. You're like 75 to 80% good to buy a house, but you still have to satisfy some conditions in order for the mortgage lender to give you the green light. If you're pre-approved, it means your mortgage lender's underwriter has already looked at your files, and they have everything they need for this individual to buy a house. Why is this important? It means that when you're going to buy a house, you can tell the listing agent and the seller, hey, I'm not just pre-qualified, I'm pre-approved, which means I'm all set and ready to go. You don't need to worry about the deal falling apart or for me getting my paperwork together. So you should choose my offer over others because I'm a safe and reliable buyer. So how do you get one? So you call us and we'll give you the best mortgage lenders that you need to talk to in all the state of Texas. We got people you can talk to make sure that not only did you get the best interest loan program, but they also make sure that you're pre-approved, not pre-qualified, so you can win those offer situations.